This is AZ-104 Challenging Lab number 5. Configure route table in a virtual network. So record the IP address of the existing virtual machine. Record the public IP address of VM2 in the following VM2 public IP address text box. Let's go to virtual machines, VM2. This is the public IP address, and then VM3 public IP address, and verify. So let's understand this scenario as well. You are a security engineer with Hexalo and responsible for managing an Azure virtual network. You need to ensure that all traffic between the front end and back end subnet of the virtual network are routed through a firewall virtual appliance. First, you will create the route table and routes, and then you will then associate them to the subnets. Next, you will enable IP forwarding on the virtual appliance. Finally, you will verify that traffic is being routed through the virtual appliance. This has been successfully verified. So next is configure a front-end route table. Let's go to route table. Let's create a route table. So resource group is going to be RG1LOD. Region is East US and name is F-fronted route table. Gateway route propagation, I have disabled it. Let's review and create. Go to resource. This is our route table. And it says add a route name to backend to F-fronted route table, and then configure the route by using address prefix of this and virtual appliance next hop address this. Let's add a route. Name is to backend. Let's verify that you created a route table named F-fronted RT. Verified. Next is verify that you added a route name to backend to the F-fronted route table. Verified. Verify that you associated the F-fronted route table to the fronted subnet. I didn't do this, right? So associate the F-fronted route table to the fronted subnet. Let's verify again. Next is configure a backend route table. So let's again go to route table, create. This time name is going to be backend. Disable the route propagation, review and create. Now we are going to add a route. Name is going to be to fronted. Virtual appliance. Next is enable IP forwarding on the virtual appliance. So let's configure our bash using existing storage account. In the in Cloud Shell, create secure shell connection to VM3 by using this, and then when prompted enter this. Well, let's SSH to this. Password is Azure password. Yes, we are inside VM3. Because this is a Linux virtual machine, you will not see the password display in Cloud Shell here. Enable IP forwarding using sudo user and the sysctl command, and then exit the SSH. So I don't know about this command, so I'm going to take help. This is the command sudo systemctl w net IPv4 forward 1. It's done. Let's enter exit. Let's verify that we have enabled IP forwarding on VM3. Yes. Next task is test routes by using the trace route tool. So in Cloud Shell, let's clear this. Create an SSH connection to this VM. Password is this. In the SSH session, update the virtual machine by using apt-get apt-get update. Okay. Sudo apt-get update. Okay. Let's try again. Sudo apt-get update. So we are installing traceroute. Verify that traffic sent to VM1 is routed through virtual appliance VM3 by using traceroute 2. Okay. I think to verify this we have to ping VM3 from VM1. Or how exactly to verify this? Traceroute VM1. That's it. How is that? So now traffic going to VM1. I have sent traffic from VM. I have traceroute from VM2 to VM1 and it says traceroute to VM1. This is the IP address of VM1. This is 30 hops max and 60 byte packet. It went through VM3 internal cloud app.net. This is the IP address of the VM. This is the latency. So it went through VM3. Let's wait until this is verified. So yes, this is successfully verified. Next step is that we have completed our lab, and in this lab we have recorded the IP address of the existing virtual machine, configure a front-end route table, configure a back-end route table, enabled IP forwarding on a virtual appliance, and tested routes by using traceroute 2. Thank you.